Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Kharajki Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session what we have seen? We have seen how to convert the hours into minutes, how to convert the days into hours. So today we will see AM and PM. What is mean by AM and what is mean by PM. So open your textbook and keep your finger on the line. Look at the board. See here, Asha is sleeping at 4 o'clock early morning. Asha is sleeping at 4 o'clock early morning. Now here you have to focus on the word that is morning. Asha is sleeping at, when she is sleeping? 4 o'clock early morning. At 4 o'clock early morning. So here morning means what? AM. Asha is sleeping at 4 AM. So you have to keep one thing in your mind, that is AM means early morning. AM means what? Morning. Okay. Now here next, she has her breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. See, she has her breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. See, 8 o'clock in the morning. So she has her breakfast at 8 AM. Next, she has her lunch in school at 12 o'clock in the day. See, when she has her lunch in school at 12 o'clock in the day, means she has her lunch in school at 12 o'clock noon. Means we normally say that 12 afternoon. Okay. Now her school gets over at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. When her school gets over at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. In the afternoon. When? At 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Means what? Her school gets over at 2 PM. Now see here students, the word is there afternoon. For afternoon here we have used PM. Her school gets over at 2 PM. Just we will read all the sentence only. She goes to sleep at 10 o'clock at night. She goes to sleep at 10 o'clock at night. She goes to sleep at 10 PM. She goes to sleep at 10 PM. Next, she is sleeping at 12 o'clock at night. She is sleeping at 12 o'clock at night. She is sleeping at 12 o'clock midnight. 12 o'clock midnight. Means we normally say midnight. 12 o'clock at night means what? Midnight. Okay. We normally say midnight. Now we will see actual when we have to use the AM and when we have to use PM word. Okay. AM means what and PM means what? Now we will see. To show time, see here, you have to read along with me. To show time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, we write AM after the time. See here what that given us? To show the time. When we have to use the AM? Yes, see the line, to show time from 12 o'clock midnight. See here 12 o'clock midnight. 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. See here, these two words you have to keep in your mind. For AM, yes, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, we have to use AM. We write AM after the time. Okay, once again I will tell you. From 12 o'clock midnight, see here, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, we write AM after the time. When from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock afternoon, we write AM. Understood? Okay? Okay. Now we'll move to the PM. When we will use PM? See here, to show time from 12 o'clock noon. See here, 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we use PM after the time. Okay, see here, once again I will tell you about the PM. From 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we write PM. Okay, see, for AM, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, AM. From 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, AM. And from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we have to use PM after the time. Okay, these two lines are very important. See, once again I'll explain you. To show the time from 12 o'clock midnight, very simple, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, you have to use AM. When? See, once again, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, you have to use AM. Okay, now opposite to that, from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we have to use PM after the time. We have to write PM after the time. Okay, understood? From midnight to noon, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, you have to use AM. And from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, you have to use PM. Okay, understood? Okay, now we will solve the next exercise, that is exercise 4.3. Open your textbook, keep in front of you along with me. You have to solve this exercise. Very easy it is. See, write the time using AM and PM. Only we have to write whether the time is AM or PM. Write the time using AM and PM. We have to write the given time by using AM or PM. Now here the first example is 10 morning. 10 morning. Now see here, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, we have to use AM. So here for morning, what we will use? AM. So here we'll write 10 AM. In this way only we have to write. Okay. Now see the next example. 10 night. It is a night. 10 night. Okay. Now here see, from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we write PM after the time. So what we will write here? PM, 10 PM. Next, 6 o'clock evening, 6 evening. When the evening will come? Yes, from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. In between the evening will come. Okay, from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we write PM. So here we will write 6 PM. Because the evening time will come between from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. So here we have to write PM. Understood? Next, read the next example. 6 morning, 6 o'clock morning. Now when the morning time will come? Yes, where it will come? From 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. In between this period, the morning period will come. So 6 morning, how will you write this? Yes, 6 AM. Okay. Next, 9:55 morning. 9:55 morning. Now again this 9:55, when it will come? In between from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, this time will come. Okay. So here also we'll write AM. Next, 5 evening. Again same, this 5 evening period will come from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. Okay. So for that what we will use? PM. So here we'll write 5 PM. Next, 2:30 afternoon. Now here see 2:30 afternoon. You have to see this 2:30 afternoon, where it will come? Yes, from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. In between this period, this 2:30 afternoon will come. So here we'll write 2:30 PM. And next, 8th number. Now here see 2:30 night is there. 2:30 night. So here 2:30 night means from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. In between 2:30 night will come. Okay. So here what you will write? 2:30 PM. And the last is 12:35 night. See here 12:35 night. See students, till 12 o'clock night, till 12 o'clock night it will be, yes, PM. But after 12 o'clock night means from midnight, from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, it will be AM. So it is a 12:35 night means 12:35 AM. Yes, understood? Okay, so in this way only you have to write the given time by using AM and PM. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the next part. Turn the page. Now we'll see the next exercise, that is exercise 4.4. Story sums are there. Okay. One by one we will see the story sum. See the story sum number 1. First story sum. Ram started from his house at 8:30 AM. See, what is the question? Ram started from his house at 8:30 AM and he reached his school at 9:10 AM. See, what is the question? Sentence, read it once again. Ram started from his house at 8:30 AM and reached his school at 9:10 AM. Okay. For how long did he walk? What is the question? For how long did he walk? When he started from his house? At 8:30 AM. At 8:30 AM. And when he reached his school? At 9:10. Okay. So the question is, for how long did he walk? So we will solve this example. First we will write what that given us. What that given us? Ram started from his house at 8:30 a.m. So we'll write here 8:30. 8:30 a.m. Ram started at 8:30 a.m. from his house, and then he reached at school at 9:10. Okay, so here I will write 9:10. See here, and we have to find out how did he long walk, means we have to find out the time interval, okay, between from 8:30 to 9. So here we'll write from 8:30 to 9 o'clock, and then 9 to 9:10 a.m. okay. Ram started at 8:30 and he reached school 9:10. So here what we will do, 8:30 to 9 and then 9 to 9:10. Okay, now students tell me 8:30 to 9 o'clock, what will be the time period? It's a half an hour, means 8:30 to 9 o'clock means 30 minutes, half an hour. So here I'll write 30 minutes. Okay, now from 9 to 9:10, from 9 to 9:10, how many minutes? Yes, from 9 to 9:10, how many minutes? 10 minutes. Okay, see 8:30 to 9, 30 minutes, and 9 to 9:10, 10 minutes. Now we have to add this 30 plus 10, yes, 40 minutes, means from 8:30 to 9:10 is equal to 40 minutes. So yes, total time interval is 40 minutes. So here we'll write time interval is 40 minutes. Understood? Yes, once again I will tell you, Ram started at 8:30. Okay, Ram started at 8:30, then he reached his school at 9:10 a.m. So here from 8:30 to 9 o'clock it's a half an hour, and then from 9 to 9:10 it's a 10-minute time interval. Okay, now we have to add this 30 and 10, that is 40 minutes. Very easy. So the time interval is 40 minutes. Understood? Okay, now read the question number 2 from the textbook. Yes, read the question number 2. The school bus left the school at 7:30 a.m. Once again read it. The school bus left the school at 7:30 a.m. and returned to the school at 9:20 a.m. And the question is, how long did the bus take to make the morning round? See students, you have to read the question very carefully. Once again you have to read, again and again you have to read the story sums. Okay, so read it once again. The school bus left the school at 7:30 a.m. When the school bus is left the school at 7:30 a.m. So here we'll write 7:30 a.m. Okay, and return to the school at 9:20 a.m. When the school bus is returned to the school, 9:20 a.m. Okay, now we have to find out the time interval from 7:30 to 9:20. We have to find out the time interval from 7:30 to 9:20. Okay, so what we will do, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Okay, then 8 to 8:30, then 8:30 to 9, and 9 to 9:20 am. Okay, now you have to tell me from 7:30 to 8, Yes, 7:30 to 8 o'clock means how many minutes? 30 minutes. Correct. So here we'll write 30 minutes. Okay. Now see students, from 8 to 8:30. From 8 to 8:30 means how many minutes? Again 30 minutes. So here also we'll write 30 minutes. Next. Now from 8:30 to 9 o'clock. 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Yes. 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Again it is a half an hour. So we'll write here 30 minutes. And then lastly from 9 to 9:20. 9 to 9:20 means how many minutes? 9 to 9:20 means 20 minutes. So here we'll write 20 minutes. And we have to add all these time intervals. Now do the addition. 30 plus 30. First we will add these two numbers. 30 plus 30, that is 60 minutes. Okay. And now this 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20, yes, 50 minutes. Okay. Now see students, 60 minutes means what? 1 hour. Yes. 60 minutes means what? 1 hour, and this 50 minutes will keep as it is. So the time period is 1 hour and 50 minutes. So how long did the bus take to make the morning round? Yes, bus take 1 hour and 50 minutes to make the morning round. So here you have to write the answer. So bus take 1 hour and 50 minutes to complete one morning round. Understood? Because the bus left the school at 7:30 and again he reached at school 9:20. So here we have to find out the time interval from 7:30 to 9:20. So what we have done here, from 7:30 to 8 o'clock, it's a half an hour. Then 8 to 8:30, again it's a half an hour. Then 8:30 to 9, 30 minutes means half an hour. And from 9 to 9:20, it's 20 minutes. Okay. Now 30 plus 30 means 60, means 1 hour. Okay. And this 30 plus 20 means 50. So bus take 1 hour 50 minutes to complete one morning round. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example, that is third one. Read the question. In a cricket match, a bowler takes 5 minutes to bowl an over. How many overs are bowled in an hour? See, what is the question? In a cricket match, a bowler takes 5 minutes to bowl an over. How many overs are bowled in an hour? So first what you have to do? Yes, in 5 minutes 1 over. Okay. What that given us? In a cricket match, a bowler takes, see here, bowler takes 5 minutes to bowl an over. Means for 1 over he takes 5 minutes. For 1 over he takes 5 minutes. And the question is, how many overs are bowled in an hour? Okay. So what we will do? First we'll write, that is, in 5 minutes bowler takes 5 minutes for 1 over. Means in 5 minutes 1 over. And the question is, what is the question? Yes, how many overs are bowled in an hour? Okay. So in 1 hour is equal to how many over? That is the question. So first of all you have to tell me 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now see here, in 5 minutes 1 over. He bowled 1 over in 5 minutes. So in 60 minutes, how many overs he will bowl? So what you will do? Yes, you have to do the division here. So in 60 minutes, he will over, yes, 60 by 5 over. Okay, so do the division here. 60 by 5. 5 ones are 5. Now 6 minus 5, 1. Now this 0 will come down here. Now here we have 10. 5 twos are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Means how many overs he will bowl in 60 minutes? Yes, 12. So how will you write the answer? So 12 overs are bowled in an hour. So 12 overs bowled in an hour, because in 5 minutes he will bowl 1 over. Okay, so in 60 minutes he will bowl 12 overs. Understood? Okay. Now see the next example. 5th number example we will take now. School started at 9:30 a.m. The school started at 9:30 a.m. Then after one period lasting 50 minutes, the children had a break. At what time was the break? See, what is the question? School started at 9:30 a.m. School started at 9:30 a.m. After one period lasting 50 minutes, means the period was 50 minutes. Okay. After 50 minutes, the children had their break. So, at what time was the break? Now what you have to do? 9:30. After 9:30 plus 50 minutes. 9:30 plus 50 minutes means what? 30 plus 20. Okay, 9:30. After 9:30, 30 minutes means 10 o'clock. Then 10:20. So the children will have, the break was the 9:20. Okay, so you have to solve this by your own. Next example. Gopal listened to a 2-hour concert which began at 7 p.m. When did the concert end? See here, what is the question? Gopal listened to a 2-hour, one music was there, which was begun at 7 p.m. When did the concert end? See here, it started at 7 o'clock. And after 2 hours it will finish, means 7 plus 2, at 9 o'clock the concert will end. Understood? Okay. Now see the next example. In Sita's school, the lunch interval is between 12:15 p.m. to 1:20 p.m. What is the duration of the lunch interval? See, what is the question? In Sita's school, the lunch interval is between 12:15 p.m. to 1:20 p.m. What is the duration of the lunch interval? See, the lunch break is started at 12:15 and it will over at 1:20, and we have to find out the duration of the lunch interval. Okay, so we'll write here 12:15 to 12:45, or else directly you can take 1 hour also, from 12:15 to 1:15. Okay, and 1:15 to 1:20. See, that break, it was started at 12:15 and it will finish at 1:20. So 12:15 to 1:15 means it is a 1 hour. Okay, it is an 1 hour. From 1:15 to 1:20 means 5 minutes. So what is the time interval of the break? Yes, what is the lunch interval? Duration of the lunch interval is 1 hour and 1 hour and 5 minutes. So here we'll write the lunch duration of the lunch interval is, so the duration of the lunch interval is 1 hour and 5 minutes. Because see here, the lunch interval is started at 12:15, okay, and it will finish at 1:20. It will finish at 1:20 p.m. Okay, so from 12:15 to 1:15. From 12:15 to 1:15, it's a 60 minutes, means 1 hour. Then from 1:15 to 1:20, it's a 5 minute. Okay, so the lunch duration is 1 hour and 5 minutes. Understood? Okay, now last example is remaining, that you have to solve by your own. So today in this way we have completed exercise 4.4. In the next session we will see the next part. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.